Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Explorer. I am Pradyumna and we will explore the world of software together. Before we begin, coding is not a subject to learn, it is a skill or art that comes automatically as you practice and understand. You need to understand one concept and try making a program on it, and then proceed to the next. In each of my videos, I will teach a concept and develop apps, and you will be given homework to complete related to what we did. The next video, you will be shown the solution. Now, let us learn the basic programming terms. An algorithm. An algorithm is a set of steps that help to complete a task. A program. A program is an algorithm written in a way the computer can understand using particular programming language. A syntax. A syntax is a form of algorithm in a particular programming language. Now, let's begin. We will start by beginning with Python, which is considered as one of the most powerful and yet simple programming language. To download Python, just click on the link given in the description below. So when you come to this website, you go to downloads. In downloads, you click on download for Windows or any other operating system that you have, and this Python 3.10, which is the latest version. After downloading, you should just open it, run the file, install the IDE and all the pip documents that are required. So as you can see, we have successfully downloaded this. You can close it. Now we need an integrated development environment, that is an app that you can use to develop all the code for Python. So you just need to go to the link that I've provided below, and you have to go to download Pycharm. Here in the Pycharm website, you have to go for the Windows or Mac or Linux which you have, and then just download the community version, which is free and it is powerful. So I've successfully completed Pycharm downloading. You have done with everything. Thank you everyone. We will continue with coding from the next video. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share.